Isor laga miracle come kuride kuina aman. We always used to hear from our reverends in the churches. They always used to aman preach kuridage. Ogoban ogo believe kura manugando le acting dole ini uti chaide itu utai kuri. And the last parliamentary election, so manu led by the church workers, the believers, amakan nisna politically so manu working person aman nisna birai taglibi. We also said it will be only possible with the mercy of God and the interventions of our divine power. Amambi do boda kuri. Before we start, amakan camping nubra buti fasting loche, blessing loche. Then we try to go down to our Almighty God that this is your time. And we at this situation, in the Congress party, crash tapi virabuli tan huadandi. Congress la candidate ekta nagalindi ulaishi bolimene. The land of for Christ wado justify ho jabo. Ito ekta testimony ho jabo. Ito please Congress la candidate. Kun hobi ulai digina hoigina. That point of time I was not a candidate. Ito kun Congress candidate aibo itu gi uthai dibo lage. Titia manukan kobo Chisor God is a living God. Inaga amang sob chali jabo. Ina aman ilo obang o pardana kurina shuru kurise, and we all have taken the responsibility. Amang sob with the leaders led by our president, the young leaders, the women leaders, amang sob miligina chi holibi isor. Amibi I'm a believer. Itu to chi holibi ami justification Bhagavan Lord Tipo Lage. We all stand together. Secondly, Aman Chaigena, Vijo Kormano, Noliva Osor Manokangi, Jo, this time the secularism, Amagan culture, tradition, religion, ito preserve Purbo Lage, Naga Manu Nishina Takibo Lagibo, ito bra Congress ki Tibude, Guina Amaso Koshida. Everyone has taken part to bring back our glory, the Naga glories, and to stand reign in our religion. So, amaso kami kurina public angi koisi. So, it is not only the responsibility of MB, but it is all our joint effort with it. Amaso na responsibility with it. MB ekta bolai se, ami support vote ekta haligar itu candidate bolai se itu noy. 5 years, how to go about 5 years? How to glorify that we have done the justice to elect a Congress MB? Amar Bhagavan Lohobi, Amar MB ekta ulai dia to, we have done the right thing kuina. Bhagavan bi kushi pabuli la kamkina. You all have given your best and elected me to represent all of you, to share the feelings to the government of India. And to start with for that, until unless we make a good team, until unless we have understanding among us, sharing among us, I may not be in a position to carry what our people are having in mind to share with the government of India. Ito bra ami aji ya hado apne ke beshi thanks kushi bhaya se itu ekta kobole aro apne angi aro bi tui bar apni laga blessing mangi boli bi aise. Third was apne laga wisdom advice itu lage.